Zizi?
We're at the ferry or the boat
On the boat.
to go to Zanzibar.
An octopus, some prawns, some rice. Marisha's a happy girl. This is the old fort here in Stone Town. Zeke just found a jellyfish. Luckily, he found it before he accidentally stepped on it. What are we doing, Zizi?
We're at the ferry port. I don't know what to call it.
Ferry port, yeah, at the marina. We were waiting to go where? Zanzibar.
I was thinking starting with K.
Yeah, we're going to Zanzibar.
Because it said Kilimanjaro.
Azam Marine Kilimanjaro Ferry. So,
I was thinking K because it says Kilimanjaro.
yeah.
The boat
On the boat.
to go to Zanzibar.
Here we are in the marina. We're gonna go to Zanzibar. What do we think, everybody? Feels good.
There by herself.
Marisha's the queen, having her own seat, sitting in the air conditioning, enjoying some peace and quiet. And here we are, ready to go for our adventure. And goodbye, Dar. We've liked you so much. You've been so fun. We hope to come back again someday. But Zanzibar is calling. Can you see it? Look at the difference. Amazing. We're getting close now. Look how gorgeous. We're about to get into port.
Can we go swimming?
Here in Zanzibar.
Can we go swimming?
And we couldn't be more excited to be here. It truly looks like an ocean paradise. Wow. We're so thankful to get to be here.
Yay! We're here.
Coming into the harbor here in Zanzibar.
Zanzibar. What time is it?
I wanted to come here for so many years. It's like a dream coming true today.
Dream come
I
true.
know this is going to be a very special time.
Yay! That's supposed to be the Titanic.
this beautiful place that we're staying. It's like a paradise. Place where we're staying. Look at this. These are in the walls, like dug, cut into the walls. It's really amazing. Such a beautiful home.
Yeah.
Look at this amazing pool. You guys are enjoying.
But it's very deep.
Yep. How's it feel?
No. Good. Help.
Well, I just stopped.
Huh? Watch this. Badam.
To this beautiful compound where we're staying. Just wait. Just wait. Look at that view, baby. Oh, yeah. It's just beautiful. We've got paradise here. Seeds out here by you.
I won. Let's go. Wait a minute.
Feels good, huh?
Yes.
Marisha's joined the boys in the pool.
I know.
Look at that swim with a view. Amazing.
Something here.
Look at the start of this gorgeous sunset. Stunning, isn't it? Just woke up, stepping out on the balcony outside our bedroom, and check out this. It is now low tide. You see this? Where there was boats and everything yesterday. Now there's beached boats. And it's very low tide. People are out there collecting. The tide is so low now. High tide will come later today, but it's just a whole different look when it's low tide, isn't it? Still such a gorgeous and beautiful place. Time for some breakfast on the balcony. Enjoying this gorgeous view. Some chapati and fresh fruit for lunch. We picked this up at the place we had dinner and just warmed the chapati up this morning. So, Zizi, how's the chapati compared to Ugandan chapati?
A little stale.
A little stale? Well, it could be because it came from yesterday. I think it's pretty good, huh? Maybe a little drier, a little less oil used. Pretty yummy, huh? Breakfast with a view. All right, these little guys are telling me it's only cold when you first get in, so I'm gonna give the pool a whirl because it sure feels like pool weather here. The tide is coming towards high tide again. So this is the area you saw this morning. Way out there that had no water, and now we got a boat there. Look at that beautiful water. Excited to try some Zanzibar food for lunch.
Naraja is the one who is. Zeke, are you ready for some nice meal?
Yeah, or no? You're just tired. And thirsty. They're thirsty. Sissy girl, what are you trying for lunch?
Octopus again.
Octopus!
Oh, and then again. I had eel last time. What am I?
Yeah. Marisha's our adventurous eater, so she's going for some octopus from the grill.
Yes, we'll see how it tastes because I had the one in the soup, the octopus soup. We'll see if it doesn't taste like, really fishy.
We'll see. More to come. We're gonna go see it. Octopus, some prawns, some rice. Marisha's a happy girl. David's plate, Ziki's plate. Elijah also has prawns and rice. The rest of mine's coming. This is sweet banana and Burhani rice, and I have a chicken curry coming and a chapati. Because you can take the girl out of Uganda, but you can't take the love of chapati out of me. So everyone's going to enjoy some lunch. Passion mango juice, which is so yummy. Some chicken burhani. And everybody's enjoying their food, huh? Are you enjoying? Daddy's enjoying. Elijah's enjoying. David's gonna enjoy some prawns fresh from the grill.
Hello, the small one.
Okay, Zuzi, how was Zanzibari cuisine? You enjoyed lunch? You like the Zanzibari food? Yeah.
Well, most of it was seafood. Octopus, prawns.
What did you think of the octopus?
Chewy.
Yeah. Did it taste good?
Swallow it whole.
Marisha also had octopus. What do you think, honey?
I liked it. Mine wasn't as cheap because mine was probably grilled more than the one that he had, so.
So you got yours a little more well done.
Yes.
Nice. You didn't try octopus, did you? No? We're in the old fort area of Stone Town. Look at this. This area dates back to the 17th century. It's pretty impressive. But yet, Zanzibar is building also. See, this area is building. So we have history and reality coming together. Yep. This is the old fort here in Stone Town. Dates back from the 17th century. World Heritage Site. Amazing that we get to see it ourselves. There are cats everywhere in Zanzibar. Everywhere. It's pretty interesting, certainly. This is Forodhani Gardens. Here. Fort from the opposite side. Look at how ornate it is. Can you imagine being built in the 1600s? All of that had to have been carved by hand. Truly amazing.
If you mix everything together, it tastes better. Want to take some of that?
Banana split time for the boys and coffee time for the grown-ups. Marisha didn't want anything, so she had water. How is it, guys?
Good.
Hey, look at these cats. Cats, 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 cats. This place is cats. Elijah, how many cats have you counted?
102.
We're sorry, Grandpa. Sorry.
Sorry, we didn't put them here, but man, there's a lot of cats, aren't there?
Wait a minute, that's actually 105. Wait a minute, 108.
In the hundreds.
They're everywhere you look. In the hundreds of cats, huh? Thought you saw a lot of cats throughout Stone Town. Look at this, it's paradise. Feeding time for all the strays. Insane. They're everywhere. As far as the eye can see. Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere.
Because it's fish. That's what
Yeah, people are feeding them. Hey, cats were right there.
50.
50 all in one place having feeding time. Wow.
But that was not all of them. There's like still 50, like 58 left.
Oh my gosh, amazing. Flags on the hotel here. The wind blows just the right way. Anyone spot? There's our lovely Ugandan flag. There it is. Proudly flying in Zanzibar. On the other side of the hotel is our lovely American flag. Both Uganda and America are flying proudly at this hotel. Pretty beautiful view to enjoy a Zanzibari sunset, huh? Then you have to. This is the beach right outside of the place where we're staying. Now the tide has come in and it's fairly deep. The sun is just set. Look at the pretty shell Marisha just found.
There's a lot over here. There's a lot like on the ground. Just
There's
like
so many along here.
What did Marisha found? Huh? What did Marisha found? What? What?
So much Indian Ocean here lately that we've been getting to experience, and it is so beautiful.
Baby's name?
What? Where? Okay. Let me see. That. Wait.
You can hear it in the background. It's the call to prayer. It's the core memory right here. We've had such a wonderful time in Tanzania.
There's so many rocks.
And this time here in Zanzibar has just been the best.
Can you give me a good one?
Snail. Oval.
Oh yeah, there it is. Ooh. Did you step on it?
No.
Zeke just found a jellyfish. Luckily, he found it before he accidentally stepped on it. So that was a good discovery that he had.
There's way too many sharks here.
here.
Marisha's swimming around. The boys are inspecting the jellyfish. It's a baby one, I guess.
It's here. Yeah, going. It's here. Going. Come here. Let me tell you.
Can't believe I found a jellyfish.
I'm glad you didn't step.
It didn't sting you though, right?
And Dad said that it's not a jellyfish.
It looked like one before.
Well, I brought you back.
It's laying my hand down.
We had a beautiful day today. Swimming and swimming and more swimming. We got to go to Stone Town. It's amazing. We loved touring around Stone Town, and everybody loved the Zanzibari food. We really enjoyed it. We've had the absolute best time on our trip here to Tanzania. I hope that you've enjoyed following along with us. It's our first time here in Tanzania, and I sure hope it's not our last, because we have loved it here. I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. My family is swimming and wading in the Indian Ocean at sunset in an island paradise. It's the life we've always dreamed of. It's coming true. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time.